So listen up, I'm not even going to suggest you buy these crystals, but like, if you want your chakras aligned, maybe don't get the set of 7 tumbled stones. Trust me, you don't want these gorgeous, high-quality stones that actually look as good as they do in the pics. They come pre-cleansed too, but nah, who would want that benefit? And let's not talk about how perfect they are as gifts. Just totally forget that idea. The included ebook is super detailed, giving you all the deets on their uses and properties. No biggie, these crystals are fab for meditation, yoga, Reiki. You don't want to know how versatile they are. And oh yeah, they have a satisfaction guarantee. Total buzzkill. Seriously, don't buy them unless you want your vibe to be off the charts. So just to recap, gorgeous crystals, chakra support, pre-cleansed, definitely not worth it. Honestly though, I love using these stones and they've been such a game changer for me. If you want to vibe right and soak in some good energy, go order this magical kit now.